How's it going, everyone? Laser here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at RTX 3050 from Asus, the ROG Strix version. So inside the box we have an envelope or a smaller box, and in here you will find a collectible card, warranty card, some usual speed setup and thank you pamphlet. So let's get this out of the way and get to the main point of today's unboxing. There's some cable holders here as well, and the GPU, which is quite a big GPU. There you have it. RTX 3050 ROG Strix from Asus. Triple fan cooling design, the same as on 3070, 3070 Ti and so on. So when it comes to build quality, the card is a good mix of some plastic and some metal elements over here, which are called to touch. The card looks pretty good on pictures, but also in person it doesn't look that bad. I mean, the plastic elements are, it's just plastic, so it's not that great looking. But the elements over here, which seem to be metal plates, look great. We have more plastic over here, and the whole back plate, it also seems that it's made from metal, so that's a good thing. And the coolers are quite massive here. We have triple fan design with two of the exterior fans spinning in one direction, while the interior fan, the one in the middle, is spinning in the other direction. Apparently this helps with turbulence, helps with airflow. Let's take Asus for the word. Probably they did the math and it works as they say. On the front we have 5 connectors, so one more than you get with the basic models. We have 3 DisplayPort connectors, 2 HDMI connectors with those blinds here. Here we have the back plate, which is made mostly or even thoroughly out of metal, which is great. It just helps also with the card stability when you mount it. It's a great way to support the weight of the card. And on the top we have the RGB stripe here, which is addressable. You can control it with Asus proprietary software, change the pattern, change the color, do all that stuff. There's also one more RGB element that's on the back over here. The ROG logo that you see here also lights up when you connect the card. You can also control the color, the intensity, the lighting pattern, and so on. At the bottom of the card there's also one more thing. There's a performance and quiet mode switch. Hope you can see this. It's over here. So if you want the card to be more quiet, you just switch to quiet mode. If you want performance and you want to boost your card's performance, you just switch to performance mode. By default, the card is turned on to performance mode to gain access to that additional power that comes with overclocking, because this is an OC version, which means it has been overclocked in factory. Alright, then that's it when it comes to first impressions. I really like the design the Asus did here. The metal plastic, the gunmetal colors, gray, black. It really looks clean and aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, especially if you're building like a toned down build with a lot of black, a lot of dark elements, it should look really great. And yeah, the review is coming up shortly. I need to test the card in a couple of titles, single player, multiplayer. See how DLSS impacts performance, see how ray tracing impacts performance, and tell you whether this is a good investment, whether this is a good, let's say, budget card, even though the price does not suggest it. This is around $600 after tax, so pretty expensive for RTX 3050, but let's see, maybe the additional features that we get will show that the card is good value. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.